Hello children, today let us learn pair of linear equations in two variables. If you remember, in 9th standard we learnt linear equations, that is, it was of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This was our standard form. Here we are dealing with pair of linear equation. So we have two linear equation and we have a1, b1 and c1 numbered it as a first equation and a2, b2 and c2 for second equation. A, B, C are the numerical coefficients. We'll understand with the examples over here. This one, here you can take 3 is our A1, 4 B1, C1 is 9. Nothing is returned, take it as 1. So our A2 is 1, B2 is 2 and C2 is 4. Try this on your own. Here A1 5. When it is negative, take along with this minus 7. Minus 7 is our B1. Minus 9 is our C1. 6 A2 minus 2 is our B2 plus 5 is our C2. So these are the numbers. We are dealing with numbers. Here we need to, first part of the chapter is graphical method of solution of the pair of linear equations. Imagine you have to draw the graph for the system, that is two linear equation, and it would be better if we know before itself how the lines would be. In a Cartesian plane, when we draw the graph, how it would be. So we have three conditions. If any one matches, then we can predict the type of graph we are going to get. So first condition is if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, I repeat, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we will have single solution, one unique solution, and when we have solution, then it will be consistent. Then the graph would be intersecting lines. That means if I have to draw the graph of two lines, they will intersect at a single point and that will be our solution. So it's not necessary that it has to intersect in the first quadrant. Anywhere it can intersect, even on the axis this way. So the two lines where they intersect, that is a point of solution and only one solution if it matches this condition, condition 1. Examples here. We can see 2 by 4, I am taking only the numbers a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So when we see these two lines, then we can here predict that the lines will be intersecting lines, unique solution, and it is consistent. Here second one, 3 by 6 equal to 4 by minus 8. So we have 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2, that is not equal to. Again, this system has no single solution, consistent and intersecting lines. Condition number 2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. All are equal. Then we will be having infinitely many solution. When we have solution, then these lines are consistent. And if we draw the graph, we will get coincident lines. That means first line equation, if I get the graph straight line, the second equation line also will be overlapping on it. So it is coincident lines. Each point on the line will be the solution. So we have infinitely many solutions. Examples here. 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 12 by 24. All is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So this system of equation have infinitely many solution, consistent, and they are coincident lines. So try the second one on your own. We'll go for the third condition. Condition number 3, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, if it matches, the system matches this condition, then we'll have no solution. Inconsistent, there is no solution, then these lines are inconsistent and the graph will be parallel line. If I have to draw the graph, then the lines will be parallel, they do not intersect. So no solution. Check for the 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 but not equal to 12 by 13. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 not equal to 12 by 13. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Check this system, you'll understand. When this third condition is met, then the lines are parallel lines, inconsistent, and no solution. Based on this information, let us solve 3.1 exercise. I'll be doing a separate video for the graph. So other than graph questions, we will solve all over here. So exercise 3.1, I am starting with the second question since first question is word problem which has to be solved graphically. So we'll be doing separately in a next video. So here we have to compare a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 and check whether they intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. So here first one 5 by a1 by a2, I will write it like this, 4 by 6. So this is not equal. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, our condition 1. So these are intersecting, they intersect at a point. Second one, 9 by 18 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 12 by 24. We have 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So this condition, the lines are coincident lines and they are consistent. Though they did not ask, but we know they are this one coincident line. Here 6 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 1 equal to 10 by 9. So here it says minus 3 by minus 1. a1 by a2 1 time, 3 time, minus minus cancel, 3 equal to 3 not equal to 10 by 9. So this one set is parallel lines, no solution, inconsistent. Now we'll go to third main here. Again same check we'll have to do. Three by 2 equations, 3 by 2 equal to 2 by minus 3. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, I will not check with c1 by c2 because I got already the condition, and these lines are in intersecting and it is consistent. It has one solution, so it is consistent. Check this one. 2 by 4 equal to minus 3 by minus 6 equal to 8 by 9. So we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 8 not equal to, so this condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. These are parallel lines and it is inconsistent, parallel lines. Here one clue I would give you for the fraction, either you can do it directly or take LCM here 2 and 3. First we'll get rid of this fraction so it would be easy for us. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So when I multiply 6 into 3 by 2 x plus 6 into 5 by 3y equal to 6 into 7. My equation would be 3 times cancel. So we got rid of the denominator. My new equation is 9x plus 10y equal to 42. The other one I am okay with it, equal to 14. Now check, 9 by 9 not equal to 10 by minus 10. So it is 1 equal to minus 1. So this system here has unique solution and it is consistent. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. It is consistent intersecting lines. Same here, see, fourth one you tried, fifth I will do it. 4 by 3x plus 2y. So this 3 is a fraction we get rid of. So this will be into 3 here, into 3 here, then into LHS, RHS both. So what is my new equation? 3 and 3 cancel. 4x plus 6y equal to 24. This in second equation I am okay with it. No change for that. It is in a required format. So now check, 4 by 2 is 2, 6 by 3 is 2, 24 by 12 is 2. So we got here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. It is consistent, coincident line, infinitely many solution. Done. Then fourth main is graphically. So it will come in my next video. Fifth one, fifth question. Here, read carefully. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36. Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden. So perimeter, half of the perimeter of rectangular garden is 2 times L plus B. Cancel this, you get perimeter is how much they told? 36 equal to L plus B. I get my first equation. And then whose length is 4 more than its width. So length is 4 more than its width. L equal to B plus 4. So here I get second equation. So in equation 1, 36 equal to, in place of L I will substitute B plus 4 plus B. Then we have 36 equal to 2B plus 4. Then 32 equal to 2B. B will be 16. B is 16. And how much will be your L? 16 plus 4. L equal to 20. Done. So we have solved fifth question. Then give linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 for intersecting. So first I will write this first equation. They are asking us to give one more equation where the lines will be intersecting. For intersecting, we know that the condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So here I will take 3x, give any number, but see to that it is not equal to, I'll make this as 4y minus or plus 12 equal to 0. 2 by 3 not equal to 3 by minus 4. So they will have intersecting lines. For parallel line, again I will take here 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, this one. For this I have to plan one more equation. So for parallel line, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So I will plan up 4x, 6y minus 10 or 11 I will make better. So now see 1 by 2, 1 by 2 but not equal to 8 by 11. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. So that is our parallel lines. Then for coincident we need to have, I will take the sample equation given in the question. They should be equal. So multiply this 2 plus, I am just multiplying each with the same sign. 2 I made it into 2 4, 3 I made into 2 6, 8 I made into 2 16. So now you can check 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So it is coincident line, infinitely many solution. Seventh question is again a graph question, and it is the most important question for 5 mark. We will be doing it later. I hope you got the conditions to do today's session. If any doubt or anything, please put it in the comment section. So let me know where I can improve things. Thank you.